Nice to meet you. Nice. 2. Meet. You.
My favorite food is pizza. My favorite food is pizza. Can you help me? Can you help me?
I live near the park. I live near the park.
She works in a hospital. She works in a hospital. We have 2 children. We have 2 children. Where is the bus stop? Where is the bus stop?
They play soccer after school. They play soccer after school.
This is my best friend. This is my best friend.
I don't watch TV at night. I don't watch TV at night.
She is wearing a red jacket. She is wearing a red jacket.
The library is next to the bank. The library is next to the bank.
My brother can cook. My brother can cook.
I usually go to bed early. I usually go to bed early.
We are waiting for the bus. We are waiting for the bus.
He has a new bicycle. He has a new bicycle.
My mother teaches English. My mother teaches English.
There are 3 windows. There are 3 windows.
The coffee is too hot. The coffee is too hot. She never eats breakfast late. She never eats breakfast late.
Turn left at the traffic light. Turn left at the traffic dot light.
I want a glass of water. I want a glass of water. They visited the museum yesterday. They
Visited.
the museum yesterday.
What time is it? What time is it?
This dress fits perfectly. This dress fits perfectly. We will meet tomorrow. We will meet tomorrow. I feel happy today. I feel happy today.
My father drives to work. My father drives to work.
Whose umbrella is this? Whose umbrella is this?
The movie was very funny. The movie was very funny.
We are going to travel soon. We are going to travel soon. Welcome to our home. Welcome to our home.
My cat is sleeping now. My cat is sleeping now. I have finished my homework. I have finished my homework. She speaks French very well. She speaks French very well.
The weather is windy today. The weather is windy today.
The bus arrives every hour. The bus arrives every hour. My sister is a nurse. My sister is a nurse. Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing?
I need some sugar. I need some sugar.
Is this your notebook? Is this your notebook?
These are my keys. These are my keys.
He doesn't like spicy food. He doesn't like spicy food.
My grandparents live in the countryside. My grandparents live in the countryside.
Who is your teacher? Who
Is.
your teacher?
We might stay home tonight. We might stay home tonight. The baby has 2 teeth. The baby has 2 teeth. I was born in April. I was born in April.
The supermarket is across from the school. The supermarket is across the school.
Close the window, please. Close. The window, please.
He plays the guitar. He plays the guitar.
We always have dinner together. We always have dinner together. My shoes are under the bed. My shoes are under the bed. I prefer tea to coffee. I prefer tea to coffee. She is cooking dinner. She is cooking dinner.
The elephant is bigger than the horse. The elephant is bigger than the horse.
Today is the hottest day. Today is the hottest day. We study every afternoon. We study every afternoon.
He bought a new computer. He bought a new computer.
When is your birthday? When is your birthday?
My dog loves running. My dog loves running.
I should call my mother. I should call my mother. They are playing chess. They are playing chess.
Can I open the window? Can I open the window?
Which color do you prefer? Which color do you prefer?
The cat jumped onto the sofa. The cat jumped onto the sofa. I read before sleeping. I read before sleeping.
My teacher gives interesting lessons. My teacher gives interesting lessons.
How old are you? How old are you?
He isn't busy today. He isn't busy today.
I would like some tea. I would like some tea.
There is a cafe nearby. There is a cafe nearby.
How many chairs are there? How many chairs are there?
My uncle owns a bakery. My uncle owns a bakery.
The children are laughing. Children are laughing. The flowers need water. The flowers need water.
She wants to learn English. She wants to learn English.
We had a great time. We had a great time.
Please don't run. Please don't run.
This book is more interesting. This book is more interesting.
They will arrive tonight. They will arrive tonight.
Everybody is ready.
Everybody,
Everybody is.
ready.
My grandparents enjoy gardening. My grandparents enjoy gardening.